Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm here to show you some of our preparatory tasks before we even get this dang on bus. So as you can see here, we have some really beautiful trees that just cracked open. Those are big trees and they just fell down. We had some other trees fall down and hit the house. We had another tree fall down and hit the truck. So, you know, we got some tired trees here. And this one, this monster is actually in the way of getting the bus past the house to the workspace. So we're gonna have to be taking that down. It is completely over the house. It's gonna be interesting taking that puppy down. And yeah, we're gonna show you what that looks like. Here we go.
But there's no such thing as easy life. There's no such thing as easy life. Man, I wish there was. Wouldn't that be nice? But the good Lord knows what He's doing and all the reasons why. Some people gonna do you wrong, some people gonna help you out. So find the ones you can lean on when the whole world's falling down. There's no such thing as the easy life, I know. 'Cause there'll be pain, there'll be times you'll go into the pit of that devil's house. Yeah, but you'll come out stronger than before, and it'll be alright. But there's no such thing as easy life. There's no such thing as easy life. No such thing as the easy life, I know. 'Cause there'll be pain, there'll be times when you'll go into the pit of that devil's house. Yeah, but you'll come out stronger than before, and it'll be alright. But there's no such thing as easy life. No such thing as the easy life.